beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace, and in my channel I share travel tips and fashion content. In today's video, I am sharing my personal Amazon top 15 plus travel essentials with you guys. Some of them I used for years, some of them I just started using. I hope these travel essentials will help you to travel smoother and stress-free. Let's dive into the video. First on my list is this bad boy here. I had these for a very long time, I think almost 10 years, but they work so well for me. And I just need something to cancel out those white noise in the airplane. If you are someone who fights against flight anxiety on every journey, I really recommend you get a noise canceling headphone. It doesn't have to be those Bose ones that I have. These are more on the pricier side, but I know that there are cheaper ones that you can buy. My noise canceling headphones are always a trusted companion for me, so I cannot travel without them, and you shouldn't either. Next on my list is very important for me to be able to use my headphones, and that is these Bluetooth transmitter. I know some newer airplanes, you don't need this adapter anymore, so you can plug it directly, but if you are on an older airplane that still uses this adapter here, you just can connect it and you are good to go. This one is from this brand called Avantree. This is really great and I recommend it to everyone. Next up on my list is this luggage scale here. You guys, I wished I had a luggage scale way before, because on my last travel, my luggage was just overweight and I ended up paying a hefty price. It tells you exactly how much your luggage weighs, and it is something that I will not travel without, and you shouldn't either, because paying for overweight luggage is something we will leave back in 2024. Okay, we are not going to do this 2025. So yeah, luggage scale is very important to have it with you. It is not even big, it is tiny. You can just throw it in your handbag and it's going to stay unnoticed. So yeah, something that you absolutely need. Now, next up on my list is my cosmetic bag here. I put everything in here that is non-liquid, meaning, let me just open it for you guys. I do have my brushes here. Anything that is non-liquid, like my powder, my eyeshadows. So I like to be organized that way. And this cosmetic bag has really helped me to do so. Why I do separate liquids and dry makeup is because I had one incident where one of my liquids just spilled and mixed up with my dry makeup. So that's why I have this cosmetic bag with me. And yeah, I just bring it along. I still have it in my carry-on bag as well, but I know that it's not going to be mixed up with my liquids. So yeah, this cosmetic bag is something that I really been using for years. Now, following up to my cosmetic bag is my clear travel toiletry bag, which is TSA approved. This is where I store all my liquids, my makeup remover, travel size, everything that I need that is just liquids. I do throw in my travel size fragrances in here as well. I know that even if something spills, everything is liquid, so I'm not gonna get any surprises arriving at my destination. So yeah, this is the clear travel toiletry bags. Now, next up on the list is packing cubes. If you don't have packing cubes, I really don't know what you're doing with your life because those packing cubes have helped me organize my clothes and everything else for years now. And I've been using these normal packing cubes here for years because I thought that was enough. But what I recently started using is these compression packing cubes here. Now, this is a game changer for me. I think I've been sleeping on those compression packing cubes because I thought the normal ones were enough, but it has like 2 zip lines and it just compresses it to a size that will help you save more space. Now, if you start with these normal ones, it's fine. They are doing what they are supposed to be doing as well. But I switched over these compression packing cubes just because I feel like they help me pack even more. Just pack, zip it up, and it slims it up in an instant. I just love them, and that's what I'm using from now on. Now, next up on the list is portable chargers. If you are traveling without portable chargers, I really don't know what you're doing, because who likes to look for a plug to charge their devices? I don't like to be in a stressful situation, so I do have two. I'm not gonna lie, this one is a heavy one. This one is more a lighter one, so that's why I do have that one. But you cannot step out of your home without a portable charger. Make sure you have these on hand. Now, this next one is a given, because if you're traveling international, you really need a travel adapter. This one is a travel adapter type G, I believe. For example, UK travels. I have two. This one is from iBlock. Let me see. iBlock Cube, and it has three types of adapter. Now, it's a really special one because it has these built-in USB ports, three of them. And this also has a USB-C port here and a DQC port. I don't know, have never used it, but it has different adapters and it's really nice for international travels. I will link it in the description down below. Now, this next travel essential is specifically for all my ladies. If you don't want to be cramped up in a tiny airplane restroom and putting on makeup, you need this travel mirror. It comes with three different lighting settings, and it's just amazing. It is small, it's tiny, and you can place it like this on your tray and just put on makeup easily. This is not just for an airplane, even when you're on the go. It's small, it doesn't really take up much space, and I recommend it for all my ladies that needs to check on their makeup. So yeah, this is the travel mirror, and I always make sure that I have this in my purse. So the next one is for my ladies, but not necessarily, because I know the men out there likes to smell good as well. So it's these travel sized fragrance refillable spray bottles. These are amazing. You can refill from the bottom, and the way it works is this is my lovely perfume from Diptyque. You just take the lid off here, and then there's a hole in the bottom. You just place it here and just start pumping, and as you pump, it fills up the little bottle, and it is amazing. The package comes with 4 little refillable bottles. I think I have too many of those, but it's just amazing, and I would recommend to have at least 1 pack of those when traveling, because who wants to travel with this size of fragrance bottle? This brand is called Gig Meta, and it just looks very sleek, comes in different colors. So please make sure you get those refillable fragrance bottles. Now, the next one is for all my fellow travelers who get cold really quickly on an airplane. So I do have these travel sized blanket. Basically, it's a pillow and converts into a blanket, and I always make sure to have it along. This one is from Cozior. Amazing, very soft. The blanket is very big. I really didn't think it would be that big, but yeah, it's something that you at least need to try out. And for my fellow people who have flight anxiety, what I usually do is to drip a bit of essential oil that is calming for my nerves, which what I use is lavender. So I do this before my flight. I'm not going to bring along this whole big bottle here, but I just love lavender. So I just sprinkle a bit on here, and a little goes a long way, because you don't want to upset your neighbor. So just make sure to sprinkle a little bit. It can be essential oil or perfume, whatever, but I sprinkle it on, and it helps me calm down my nerves. So Yeah, this is just amazing. It doesn't really take up much space. Let me just open this and show you. This is the blanket, and yeah, it's big. It is enough for me and should be enough for most of the people as well. So yeah, I make sure that I have my travel pillow and blanket along with me. And for me, it is essential. Now, this next one is essential to help organize all your cables, which is this cable organizer. Always have it along just because I cannot stand my bag to be full of cables. I think I would go nuts. So this is the cable organizer. It's very neat and just helps me be organized and find everything right away. I always have this along, and it's just been a game changer for me, and just have been using it for years. So yeah, if you need to organize your cables, get yourself one of these and you won't regret it. Trust me. Now, this next one might not be a must-have travel essential for everyone, but it is for me because I don't like to be walking around with wrinkled clothes. And yes, I know almost every hotel has an iron, an Airbnb as well, but I just don't like to be asking too much. So I do bring along portable iron. This one is from Philips. It is way too big to be bringing along in my carry-on bag. So this one goes into my checked bag, but it is very sleek and very easy to use. I love it. I needed to get one because I just found myself always asking for an iron. And I know in Asia, I think it was last year on my Japan trip, I didn't have an iron in two of my hotels because they had iron service. So I didn't like that. I just didn't like that. So I said to myself, let me just grab one of these, and I was always good to go on my remaining travels. So yeah, this is a portable iron from Philips, and yeah, you might not have to have it, but this is really essential for me. I never travel without my portable iron. And yeah, it comes in this travel bag here, and so always sleek, tucked away and organized. I will link this one in the description below. Now, if you like your passport to be protected, you absolutely need this next item, which is a passport cover. Now, this one is an individual one. I got this one from my trip to Thailand a couple of years ago. But before I had this, I had one off of Amazon. It's something that I always had to protect my passport, and it looks very sleek. It has my name written on it. I have put some symbols on here that reflect me, and I just love it. So yeah, passport cover, a travel essential that I can't live without anymore. Now, for this next one, you don't necessarily need to order one off of Amazon. You can also do it yourself. I've seen some methods where you just place your phone into a plastic bag and just clip it into the table in front of you, and you can watch whatever series you want to watch like that. But I did order mine off of Amazon. This is a phone holder from Mikare. Now what you do is you clip this part into the table and basically can then watch whatever you want to watch on your phone like this, and you can adjust it the way you want to adjust it. This is something that I must admit haven't used a lot, but I do know friends and family who love it. So if you're searching for a phone holder, get this Mikare phone holder. If you're traveling with children, this is a game changer. It's very sleek, very small, and doesn't take much space out of your bag. So now this next travel essential, I'm very proud of it, and it has made my content creation journey a lot more easier, and I have been taking it along to all my travels. I am talking about my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I am filming on. And so I have bought these a couple of months ago. This is the creator combo. I am filming on it, so I cannot demonstrate it right now, but this is a game changer, especially for all my content creators. And so I did buy some more gadgets to protect it, and I want to share them with you guys. In the creator combo, it comes with this protector here, which I don't really like because I don't believe it is really enough of protection. So what I did was to buy a hard shell protector. This is from Sunny Life. It protects the screen, and the gimbal with this protector, it basically would move here. This doesn't even allow it to move. So the gimbal is really protected all in all. This was the first add-on that I bought for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now it comes with this bag here, which is very sleek. In this bag, I also have a tripod, but it just doesn't do it for me. So I do have this stand. What I do is put my DJI on it and it just stands. It is from the brand called BRDRC, and I believe it looks more sleek, so that's why I had bought this stand. What I also have from the same brand, BRDRC, is the silicone case. I bought it mostly for the silicone case that goes on the body of the camera. It comes with the screen protector as well, and the gimbal protector, which I don't use because I have my hard shell protector, but I have on the body of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 the silicone protectors. I just really took precautions on every level for this camera, and so I will link everything in the description down below. I would just do anything because this camera wasn't cheap, okay? Now, this is also an add-on to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It is the ND filters. These are directly from DJI. Now, the only downside to these filters of DJI is that whenever I turn off the gimbal, it just doesn't really turn into its off position fully because those ND filters are too big. But I know that I do need ND filters, especially on very bright days. I don't want my footage to be overexposed, and so these ND filters I really do bring along with me on every travel. And so yeah, something that you maybe want to consider. So next on the list is a camera that has never disappointed me and I've started creating content with, which is the Canon G7X. I love this one for beautiful pictures. It's just amazing. It has a flash on and works perfectly for even girls' night outs. I always make sure to have it along with me. This is a must-have for me whenever I feel like having those bomb pictures for my Instagram. I just bring it out and I'm good to go. And there you have it. These were my personal 15 plus travel essentials that you need in 2025. And I hope those were very valuable to you and you could pick one or two or even more out of them to make your travel even smoother. Thank you so much for lasting this long and watching this video until the end. And there you have it. These were my 15 plus Amazon travel essentials. If you lasted that long, thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you're already using one of those travel essentials, or if you have other travel essentials that make your travels smoother. Watch my video about my flight anxiety and what I do to keep it in check, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!